Dumpster rental service in Concord, Massachusetts. For reliable dumpster rental services in Concord, Massachusetts, turn to Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes, from 10 to 20 yards, to meet the needs of your residential or commercial project. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, remodeling, or managing construction debris, we have the perfect solution for you. At Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal, we make the rental process simple and convenient. Our team ensures timely delivery and prompt pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about waste disposal. We also offer flexible rental periods to accommodate your schedule. We're committed to providing exceptional customer service with transparent, competitive pricing and no hidden fees. Our team is dedicated to helping you choose the right dumpster size and providing the most cost-effective options for your specific needs. Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal is proud to be a trusted choice for waste removal in Concord, Massachusetts. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business, we are here to support your project every step of the way. Contact us today at 978-635-4226 to schedule your dumpster rental. Bigfoot Dumpsters and Removal makes waste disposal easy and affordable.